You're listening to Getting Sexy Back, where we dive into the latest in health and wellness. I'm your host, Anna, and today we're cracking open the truth about superfood nuts and their rising popularity in nutrition circles. But first, did you know that incorporating just a handful of nuts into your diet daily can improve heart health and even boost your metabolism? Let's explore why these small powerhouses are making big waves. Nuts have been hailed as a game changer in the world of nutrition. They're packed with essential nutrients and offer various health benefits that can transform your diet and well-being. Today, I'll walk you through why nuts are rising stars and how they can be a game changer for you too. Despite their many benefits, nuts are often misunderstood. Some people avoid them thinking they're too high in calories, or they don't believe nuts provide significant health benefits. In reality, these misconceptions can keep you from enjoying one of nature's most nutritious snacks. The truth is, nuts are nutrient-dense and full of healthy fats, proteins, and fibers. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, for instance, each offer unique benefits. Almonds are rich in vitamin E and magnesium, making them great for your skin and muscles. Walnuts are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart and brain health. Pistachios are brimming with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which support your immune system and overall health. Now here's something truly surprising. Studies show that consistent nut consumption is linked to increased longevity and effective weight management. Research has demonstrated that those who eat nuts regularly can live longer and maintain a healthier weight due to the satiety they provide, which helps to moderate food intake throughout the day. To recap, here are the key benefits of incorporating superfood nuts into your diet. They're packed with nutrients like healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They support heart health, improve gut health, and can even help people manage type 2 diabetes effectively. Their nutrient density makes them an excellent addition to anyone's daily routine. Before we wrap up today's episode, I want to encourage you to join the conversation. What are your favorite nuts? How do you include them in your daily meals? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to check out our other episodes on healthy eating. And of course, make sure to subscribe to Getting Sexy Back for more exciting and informative content on nutrition and wellness. That's all for today's episode. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Anna, and this has been Getting Sexy Back. Stay healthy, stay engaged, and keep those nuts handy.